It's 6:14, Storm Team 4 now. It's starting to feel a lot like winter again. Check out what could be coming our way. This is video out of Wausau. You're not seeing things. That's heavy snow falling to the ground. But as Brian pointed out, it's not sticking to the roads. So
there's that. Here's a live look at the streets of Milwaukee this morning. Clear conditions right now, but we expect to see rain and eventually that turning into snow a little bit later. So we'll send it over to Storm Team 4 meteorologist Brian Niznansky. This thing is taking its time here a little bit.
It is, yeah. It's getting robbed of some moisture with some thunderstorms to the south of us. But eventually, yes, we will see the rain and snow arriving in southeastern Wisconsin. There's still a few of you out there. I know you're out there that actually secretly want this stuff, this snow here in April. Okay, storm timeline, light rain and snow showers from now until noon. I think the morning hours, not much happening. Maybe towards the tail end of the morning, we start to see things pick up. I think things will start to pick up afternoon, around 1 inch of snow on the grassy surfaces during the daytime hours especially. It's going to be tough for this snow to accumulate on the concrete this late in the season. The sun, even though it will be cloudy, filtering through the clouds, still quite warm here for April. Now 6 p.m. until midnight tonight, snowy and windy, 1 to 2 inches of accumulation. And again, as the sun sets, we could start to see it accumulate a little bit on the concrete. And then midnight until 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, the snow tapers off with an additional 1 inch of snow. We'll take a closer look at those accumulations for your town coming up. All right, this is a live look in Waukesha. We've had a few sprinkles out there this morning, and with temperatures around 32 degrees away from Lake Michigan. Watch out for a few slippery spots on the overpasses this morning. 36 above the freezing mark here in Milwaukee. East-northeast wind at 10 miles per hour. And across the area, temperatures in the lower 30s inland, middle and upper 30s right along the lakeshore. Weather headlines, rain and snow kind of delayed a bit. Picks up this afternoon, but again, the accumulation mostly on the grass. We've had a few sprinkles and a few snow showers approaching from the south, but not much this morning. The main area of snow is across Minnesota and Iowa. We'll track it here. Future forecast. Look at things pick up by 11 o'clock. Mainly snow, Milwaukee to the north, mainly rain south of Milwaukee. By the 1 o'clock hour, notice the darker blues. The snow continues to ramp up. Look what happens by 4:30. Mostly everybody changing over to all snow, and 9 o'clock, the snow continues this evening. By 2 o'clock, still maybe a few snow showers tonight, but by 7:30 tomorrow morning, the snow is long gone and we'll have a decent amount of sunshine for tomorrow. 1 to 2 inches of snow for our southern spots here in Milwaukee, about 2 to 3 inches, mainly on the grassy surfaces. Then the totals go up. The farther north you go, we might have some 6-7 inch totals up towards Fond du Lac. Winter weather advisory goes into effect at 10 o'clock this morning through 7 a.m. tomorrow morning for our northern counties. Your forecast for today, a high temperature of 37, wintry mix to snow and windy. The winds are going to ramp up this afternoon too. 26 for tonight, snowy and windy. 1 to 3 inches of snow here in Milwaukee and most of the area, but heavier amounts north. For tomorrow, 35 for the high, 37 on Thursday, a few snow showers. Man, this is getting old, isn't it? Temperatures in the 30s all week long into the weekend and to start next week. Maybe some rain and snow again next week on Monday, Vince and Elise.
All right, thanks, Brian.